front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on System Management. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, Manage on-screen keyboards, and finally Gboard. Then hit Text Correction over here and use white switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When you finished, go back. As you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!